Hello YouTube, in this video we are going to take pictures in long exposure with your SJcam SJcam. Okay, for that we are using the option long exposure, but we are going to see it more in detail, so you have to select long exposure from the settings. And after that, if you press down or up, you will see those options. So exposure time, normally I use 10, 20 or 30 seconds. Okay. Delay capture, so I recommend you to select 3 seconds in order when you press the button your cam will not shake and damage the picture. You should select the best quality and also the large size. I recommend to shoot photos in RAW. Yes, you can shoot RAW with your action cam, and after that with a program in your computer you can bring your photos to another level. Okay, so enable RAW and take pictures in RAW. I can link you to a video converting RAW to be able to edit in Photoshop or Lightroom. So these are some samples I made with my SJcam without any filter, so directly on a tripod, and as you can see they are overexposed. So this is a CPL, circular polarizer filter, that I bought and I don't use, but I had an idea to use it to attach my ND filter from my DSLR. So I went to eBay and I bought a step-up ring. Okay, so I will now attach a step-up ring from 37 to 58 millimeters. And now I will remove my ND filter from my DSLR. And I will now attach it to my SJcam. Okay, so now you need to take your cam outside, as I told you, to a place with lights moving, and with a tripod, and as you can see you can take it off really quickly. And let's have a look at the results. But first, so you need to attach the cage, get a tripod, Okay, let's do some photos. So this is the result without filter. Here with filter. With filter. Here the cam on a tripod. Without filter. Without filter. Without filter. And I hope you like this video and consider to subscribe. Thank you.